Welcome to Da Nang and welcome to the North Beach part of Loseby. This is the Loseby Street, very popular with expats. This is the way to go to the beach. This is the Vocomabel on the beach, the Radisson on the beach. This is the way to the beach, and this here, the whole thing is the Loseby Street. Lots of people live here because it is very affordable. That's why also this is 4 Long High, a very affordable lunch, dinner spot. This is the Loseby, but we will not go there today because we already filmed it one time. I will also link down below what I filmed there the last time. With Marcus actually, we went there and had also 3 hotels in review and lunch. I will link it below. But now we're gonna walk, this is the parallel street to the beach, okay guys? But we're going from here to the right and explore a little bit these little side streets that I've never been before. And maybe we'll find some treasure here, guys. We are on a treasure hunt. Treasure hunting with Marcus.
Yeah, with me.
Yes!
And I'm known for treasure hunt.
This is the Luna Hotel. My sister actually stayed there. Very interesting. She said it's very nice. She actually liked the area. She said she found all the time very local dishes everywhere. This here is also a recommendation. I've never been, but so many locals told me to eat bunbo here. This here. So many locals always told me to eat here. It is closed. Maybe it was open. Maybe it's not open now, but this bunbo place should be very good, but it's closed right now. So it says also beef rice noodles. Maybe it is just closed today. Maybe it's something, I don't know what it is. This is a kindergarten here. Interesting. But yeah, what kind of neighborhood is this here? I could imagine there are very affordable apartments here. And it's pretty calm besides of the noise of the kindergarten and the dogs. But other than that, I don't know.
It seems like there's a...
This is an ice machine place. Yeah, interesting. You know, I always thought the ice is clean and everything, but I'm getting a little bit worried. Like I somehow doubt the cleanliness in the ice machines. They don't, like, if you think, okay, they take dirty water and make ice of it, I don't think that. I think they boil it or distill it, something, because too many people would get sick, right? But the cleanliness with the bags and everything, it's questionable, I would say. I still drink ice drinks all the time.
But also, isn't it the price you have to pay for reusable bags?
Yeah.
Somehow?
What is that? Huh. Not sure. Cheap coffee place here. I think there's also a school over there. But yeah, I have to also say, to wrap up the ice thing, I never got sick from the ice, okay? And I have an ice drink maybe 4 or 5 times a day at least, okay? I still, every time I see the people who bring the ice, I'm like, oh man, that wouldn't go through. Yeah, the thing is, if Marcus, I don't know, I'm gonna have a loud voice now, but if you have a coffee shop, we will produce the ice ourselves.
Yeah.
In clean ice, water.
Of course. And before we bring them into the drinks, I will sleep with them.
What?
Yeah, in my bed.
Okay.
Because the laugh should go through the ice. In the front.
My God, man, oh man, Marcus, I don't know what to say about that. All right, okay. This is how much lovable Germans are, right? They love the ice so much.
Yeah.
Oh man, I'm gonna not film. All right, guys, there was a very busy school. I think an elementary school. And everyone got picked up right now in the afternoonish. This is like a little bit of a coffee shop. Interesting. What is going on here? I've never been here. It looks like an apartment building. Huh. What is this? No more apartment and cafe? It's very interesting. So the Loseby Street is very pretty much expats, lots of expats in this one street. There's hotels and hotel apartments, And then the side streets are very local. But Gangnam Mart sounds very Korean to me. Oh, look at this. No. Let's check this one out. What is this? Oh, I think I saw that hotel one time. It looks cooler on the social media post, to be honest. It looks pretty, yeah. I remember our German subscribers, they booked a month there the next time. They were in the M Hotel, and now they're gonna go there. That's not gonna be the same.
What is it? Sala Casa.
Yeah. I still have to review this one time, but
It looks fancy.
it looks cool. But there's an infinity pool. If you are diving there, I could see you. You could also show me your butt or something.
Yeah, so don't lose your bikini.
Yeah, Saha Casa. All right, pretty empty though. But I think it's a very artsy hotel. Yeah, but it looks cooler from above if you have a drone or something. But I'm still gonna review it at some point. But interesting, this is this street here. So this is a little bit of a side street. Lots of trash over here. And then right next to villas. And this villa, beautiful. The only non-beautiful thing is this block. They should finish. That would be so cool if that would be finished. But you know what's finished soon? This whole Windham Soleil thing. I cannot believe that this is only hotels, because this is, I don't know how many hundreds of units. I think it's apartments and hotels. And this is gonna be a mega villa here. Or apartment complex, I'm not sure. What is this sound?
That's my green. Morrison. Oh, this is the street, the Morrison Street. Do you remember?
Oh, yes. Yeah. And here's also the Fanta Suite villa. I think I reviewed this with Kenny one time. Fanta Suite, I already did that hotel. And look at how that looks here. Majestic, with some 2 dogs in front. German Shepherd, yeah. It looks like you, Marcus.
Yeah. Very good restaurant, I can tell you.
And we are right behind the Nalot Hotel, guys. And the Mi Casa. This is a place where I think it's an Italian restaurant, but I think they still have those meetups on Fridays, digital nomad meetups. It's very famous. I was in a meetup there, and I also was at one party there one time, at a Halloween party. It was pretty good. It was pretty good. So what else do we have here? Lots of restaurants still. We are back on this one street we started. Okay. We're gonna zigzag around us here. That looks pretty modern and new. What are they selling? Breakfast. Woo! Okay. Four-man chill, okay? What a funny name, man.
Yeah, sausage.
Hey, where should we eat today? Four-man chill.
Chill.
Cool. I'm wondering if that's because of SEO or something. Gom. I think that's a rice house. Now those are most likely catered to bigger families, bigger groups. You can have a lot of people eating at the same time here. Hey, let's check out this. That looks a little bit sketchy there. I like that.
I like these alleys.
Yeah.
Maybe it's something happened.
That's a nightclub, Marcus. What the hell? What is this? A nightclub.
They say new land. And of course, it's like when you're a foreigner, you conquer different lands, yeah? So, karaoke. It's a karaoke.
Hawaii. Over there. But what is this? Club.
Karaoke.
Some candy on the floor. Huh. What is this? It looks like a compound, but there's no house.
There's a little...
There's no house, man. It's weird. What is this? That looks super sketchy. Karaoke Newland. Guys, this is... They only have Vietnamese and Korean. It's gold. I like gold. It looks sketchy. I like sketchy things. Pool villa by the sea. That is false advertisement. It's not by the sea. Okay? And Mike Beach, guys. Mike Beach, you have to cross somehow here.
But next.
Oh, look at this beautiful villa here. My God.
Rich people here. And this looks like a very nice coffee place. Look
Yes. What is this? Weber.
Work and chill.
Let's go there. Let's have a coffee here.
Oh, yeah.
You want to add something here? Yes. And it's Mua 1, Tang 20 für den nächsten.
Yeah, perfect. So Mua 1, Tang 20.
Steht auch, it's also in English there. Yeah?
Sure.
Buy one, get...
I wanted to impress people because now I can read
Get
Vietnamese.
20% extra. What does that mean, 20% extra?
So I have to pay more.
How does it look here? Okay. So they have a co-working space. Hello, xin chào. So they have a co-working here, Marcus. So they have AC rooms over there? Huh. Bucket list. Outside area.
There's also happiness. Yuppie. The rooms has name.
Yeah.
Athena. Follow one course until success. Yeah, that's true.
Okay.
Nice.
Let's have a coffee and then continue. Okay, guys, we did not know what we order, but this is the Weber coffee. I guess it's avocado, I guess it's something, and I will let you know how it is after. Okay, guys, it wasn't that bad. It was good actually. It wasn't that sweet that it looked like. But yeah, interesting coffee. Coffee Weber. Weber coffee. Charming pool villa for vacation. There's no water in there. Interesting. Someone is in there.
Charming pool villa for vacation.
And you can book it on Airbnb and booking.com. Hello. Cool. Is it your... You manage this? You manage this? Okay, never mind.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
This is a restaurant.
That's a Korean restaurant?
Yeah.
Yes, Ondal Korea. Interesting. And a very annoying dog. We love dogs, but he's barking non-stop. That might be an issue if you will live here. More villas here, boutique villa. So this is somehow the villa area of this neighborhood.
And also the public
He's
toilet.
taking a leak. It's happening often here. Sometimes you see also people driving by and just taking a leak on the street. What is that? Marcus! Asian cuisine and hot pot. Interesting.
It's more interesting that we are here at the football field.
Zuzubung.
Hello.
Huh. And that's a...
This football field.
Yeah. Interesting. And a big apartment building. Huh. Okay. What is this, Marcus? Another villa?
Yeah.
This looks like where David would stay. David, are you still watching? Is that your villa with your Korean barbecue next door? Huh? Please do not park in front of the entrance, peasant. But we are right now here at the main street again, guys. Interesting. This whole neighborhood was very quiet, besides of the dog. Huh.
And they had also a very nice coffee. Weber coffee.
Weber coffee, co-working space over there.
We should put it on the Google Maps guide.
Yeah, guys, if you have not checked out my Google Maps guide, I'm walking around everywhere and exploring every single place here for you. So get it here, it's on my Patreon. And also, if you want to support me and my channel, become a Patreon of mine. I'll put it here too. And we're also gonna have another meeting today. Not today, this week I mean. This week we're gonna have a meeting, a Patreon meeting. So check out always the posts from the Patreons. We always meet almost every week, or every 2 weeks, depends. What is this here? Another restaurant.
Looks like Aisa.
Oh.
It looks like, wow.
Yeah. Yeah. And a karaoke store next door. And May Boutique Villa. Also with Korean signs on it. Babylon steak. Huh, cool.
It looks new.
Yeah. I think they renovated or something. May Boutique. That looks sketchy.
That's interesting. They say it's a boutique villa,
Yeah.
but it seems nobody's living there.
Huh. And they also have a coffee shop down there and an Indian restaurant. Look at this. Indian food. Huh. From 45K. So that's butcher Indian or what? And it's halal. What else do we have here? Sophia restaurant. Oh, I remember.
Yeah, but
This is from Sofiana, I think, also.
it looks like they had better times.
They're gonna have. They're gonna do something here. I remember. I actually remember. This is what Sofiana, the staff, told me. They're gonna do some kind of co-working thing here. Interesting. This is like, what is that? Charlie House. It's gonna look like very antique and boutique and chic when it's done. Look at, what is that, Marcus? Ooh, ooh, ooh. Karaoke. Oh,
Oh, look at this. It's when you don't have them.
that looks so cool.
If you're on budget, you can go here for the golden bridge.
Ah, yeah. Can you go there, please? I need a
they
thumbnail, man. Please, I hope it will not break down. Okay, let's get the thumbnail. Perfect, thank you. Be careful, there's a monkey. There's a monkey, bro.
Yeah.
There. What is that? That's even better.
I don't go there. You never
Dude,
know.
that looked like a strip club, but it's like, okay, we stopped. It looks somehow cool. I don't know. I would just keep it like that.
Yeah, but
Maybe that's a coffee shop for you, Marcus. Oh, it's right next to the Tokyo.
the coffee shop.
Tokyo barbecue grill. What's going on over there? Oh, that's just like a Japanese barbecue or what? This is how it looks here. You can buy some packages. There's actually good prices here. Interesting. All right, guys, we are back here at the huge intersection, roundabout, where the beach is right there. All right. So thank you so much for watching. Please check out this video and see you in the next one.